Hi everyone, so I wanted to give you my update on what's in my bag. It is my 37 week today, this Friday. I wanted to hurry up and get this out the way because I have no idea what next week brings. I'm supposed to go to the doctor next week. They're supposed to schedule whenever. They're supposed to schedule a C-section next week, so I didn't get a chance to do this yet, but I wanted to quickly show you what's in my bag. It's not a lot because, listen, I'm traveling light and I already kind of researched half the stuff if I need it or if I don't need it. So I'm like very simple. So I wanted to show you what I am putting in my bag for myself, and then I'll talk about what I'm putting in for the twins. So this bag I got from cute little nautical bag that I got from Barnes and Noble like a couple of years ago. They were doing a special. So I have just like lounging pants, soft lounging pants for like the second day. First day I'm probably going to be in just nothing, a gown, just because of the incision, or however long. I just have these for whenever I want to, whenever I feel up to putting on pants, whenever my incision feels better enough. I have socks, which of course they supply you with socks, but I have my own. Of course I have nursing bra and undergarment panties. In addition to what they give you in the hospital, they give you their undergarment panties, which is fine. I'll take theirs obviously because it's just what it is. I have flip-flops for the shower, and I have my slides that I'll put on. They say once you have the C-section, it's best to kind of like move vigorously, slowly after it's done. So I do have some Nike slides that I'll slip on, but then I also have these cute little slippers as well. And whatever I go to the hospital in is what I'm going to just rotate through the remainder of the days. Like, I'm not trying to pack like I'm staying there for a month. So on to like the medical stuff. I have stool softener from CVS. Medical stuff. I have stool softener from CVS. I have medicated wipes, hemorrhoid pads, or whatever, because I do suffer with that. And I have my own soap. I like that soap. Oh, it smells so good. I have the lanolin nipple cream, which is great. I used this before my first pregnancy. I have, when I leave, I have nursing pads just in case. They have all this stuff, but I'm just packing. I had called the lactation nurse the other day, and she said I do not need to bring my nursing pillow or my pump. They have that there. And I have a few sanitary napkins in addition to the ones that they have. So yeah, I mean, that's basically it. I mean, my bag is very to the point, quick to the point. I'm not packing my husband's bag because it's not like we're close, so it's like if he needs to do anything, he can come home and whatever, shower. It's not that serious. Like, I'm not packing him a bag. I'll probably pack some snacks if I can get them in there. Other than that, that is it with me. Only, you know, toothpaste, toothbrush, phone charger, stuff like that. I don't know if I'm going to bring my camera just to get pictures of them while they're in the hospital. I don't know that. Onto their stuff. So we have everything set up. We have their car seats already ready to go in the living room. But let me just show you what I have for them. So these heavy blankets I got from JCPenney online. They're really heavy. It's very cold in New York here, so I was told that their what is the thing called? The carrier cover, that they shouldn't be covered with it. So leaving the hospital, we'll just put these blankets over it. Those infant carrier comforters, like you zip them up and they're encased in the carrier cover. I don't know what they're called, I forgot. What else? I have receiving blankets, just 2. I mean, again, they have stuff there, but this is just for my girls. I have diaper cloths. I have newborn undershirts. They'll probably have the ones from the hospital. The hospital t-shirts, I know that they have that. They already said that they will put that on them. And I have their hats to go over their ears, because I don't know if the hospital hats go over their ears. Again, like I said, it's very cold and it's windy, so I don't know what's going on with this weather. Okay, then I have their outfits. Just a little, nothing special, something very cute and comfy. These are newborns, because right now they're probably weighing close to 6 pounds. We go back to the doctor Tuesday to see what's going on, like I said, and then Wednesday we go back, which I thought we were done with our perinatal. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but the appointment at the hospital, I thought I was done. I spoke too soon. They scheduled us another appointment, and we go there Wednesday. So hopefully we find out. I don't know what we're going there for, because it's just been a little crazy. I guess these are all kind of like the steps leading up to the appointment for the C-section, but they just want to monitor them one last time, and I'm sure after we leave the hospital visit on Wednesday, we have to go to labor and delivery so they can monitor them again. So last time we were there, we weren't there that long. It wasn't that bad, but we were there. And that's basically it. I'm really not trying to go overboard with packing a lot of stuff for them. Like I said, we're going to be there for, if we go on Friday, we'll be out of there Tuesday, and they got them covered. They got both of us covered. Like, they have a lot of stuff there for us, so it's like just your personal things that you want to leave with, and just let them be customized and comfortable. So that is it. 37 weeks today, and I'll find out when these little cheek booms are coming. Perhaps next Friday, don't know, or maybe sometime next week. So again, I appreciate you guys along the way. Today, how did I feel today? Today I woke up and did not feel good today. My body was very tired and I couldn't shake it. What did I have for? I had cereal. I had cereal, I had a sandwich, I had apple, I had a snack, but I just wasn't on. I was very exhausted, very fatigued, and my legs are just carrying this weight, and it's uncomfortable. But that's it. Like, today was a okay day. I'm hot. I actually have the window cracked open, and it's like 20 something degrees and windy, so I have to be careful with that. But yeah, this is it. Oh, let me show you my this huge thing. This thing is huge for all you guys out there. My best friend twin pillow. This is what I'm going to be using. I don't have to bring this, thank goodness, because this is huge. And so yeah, I'll break that in. So she was saying that I don't have to bring that just because in the beginning when you have your incision, those pillows are a little bit probably too firm, and they have just extra softer pillows to kind of like prop them up so it's not too pressing on your incision. So I was like, okay, that's fine. And the pump, they have a hospital grade pump there. And yeah, I mean, I can't wait to learn how this is going to work, because this is the first time that I had a C-section, and they said that with a C-section sometimes your milk comes in a little late, and yet and still you still need to pump just to kind of get it flowing and so that your body knows that it still needs to produce, even though that they may not be with you right away. So I wanted to make sure that I understood that and was prepared for that, so that's fine. Let's see if I have any notes that I wrote down. I don't know if you guys have used the belly binder, but I have. I know I'm being a little cheap, but I have a waist, like a waist cincher thing for like working out and burning fat. I wonder if that can be used as the same way, because they're saying that, you know, it just feels better when it's all kind of held tight together instead of like loose and just out there. So if anybody knows, if you used one, if there's an alternative to using not a belly binder but something else, because I'm not gonna buy that for just this one occasion. What else? I will get some prune juice, because if you struggle with constipation, it's always just good to have prunes, prune juice, or whatever the case is once you're able to eat. I just want to be prepared and not have to worry about being so uncomfortable when trying to go to the bathroom. Let's see. I think that's it. So that's it. Wow. This journey has come to a close almost. And although I didn't record from like the very beginning, but I did want you guys to, you know, come in to my world and, you know, experience this with me. And those that are experiencing it themselves, hopefully we can kind of compare notes and along the way. And again, I'm always open to suggestions in the comments field, if you can leave that below, for me and any new twin moms or that are around the time that I am, 37 weeks. It's been great. So I think that's it. Yeah, like I don't know what else. I do have to do some last minute sterilizations of pacifiers and breast pump parts and bottles and stuff like that. So that's the last thing that I have to do, and it's pretty exciting and pretty, I'm not nervous, but just kind of like what is going to happen next, that type of thing. So that is it. I'm gonna try to like record a few different videos today, just because I have my hair girls out there and I have the pregnancy update videos. So yeah, that's it. So I will see you all next week. Again, thank you guys for hanging in there with me, and we'll see what they say next week. Until then, have a blessed day. Talk to you later. Bye bye.